Yo, YouTube, how's it going, guys? In this video, you're gonna learn how I saved $100 on my order using a Chewy promo code that I found for new and existing users. Now, this is my second time redeeming a Chewy code, and I was able to do this right from my phone and save some money on 2 big bags of food for my cat and for my dog. Now, I'll explain some more of the details here shortly, so keep watching this video if you're interested in learning how I did it. Okay, so I added 2 things to my bag. Here's what I have in my checkout. I added an 11-pound bag of cat food and a 20-pound bag of Wilderness grain-free dog food. And if you notice right here, the active promo is chosen for each item, which is now gonna be less than $1. It was originally gonna cost 100 and some change, but after applying the Chewy discount code, I'm gonna get both for only $137, and that's including the tax. Now, as you can see right here, the promo code is supplied by Feel the Deals. That's where I found it, and they're giving me 100 credit towards my order. The promo code should work fine as long as Feel the Deals keeps their promotion running. I wanted to make sure this worked for any item, so before I recorded the video, I added a bunch of other items to the checkout, and the Chewy coupon worked for each item and applied to them all. Now, you can check out the description of this video for more information on how to go about doing this. I'll drop the full YouTube video tutorial there so you guys can go watch it step by step. And all you're gonna need for this, guys, is obviously an iPhone or an Android, and make sure you have a Wi-Fi connection. But yeah, Feel the Deals is a coupon page, but it's a different one. It's not like the ones that you see on Google where they only give you a few dollars, or it only works if you're a new user. It won't cost you anything. It'll just be a little bit of your time, probably 5 to 10 minutes out of your day, but it's worth it when you're saving $100 on your purchase. So yeah, just check out the description for the full tutorial. All you'll want to do is follow along. It should be pretty easy. I was able to get the process done pretty fast earlier when I did it. And you literally just type in the brand that you're after in the search bar. You click on it. It'll have some little details about Chewy and some savings tips. Then you just scroll on down to the coupons and deals section to reveal the discount. You just press the show code button, and it's got these little hashes, meaning that the code is locked, but that's completely fine. Don't worry, you'll unlock it following the steps in my tutorial. And the process is super simple. It's just some sponsor apps. You help their app ratings, which in turn gets them better rankings in the Google Play Store or App Store. And because of doing this, it boosts their apps so more people find them, and they potentially earn more through their in-app purchases. And that's how they're able to give these discounts out. So it's literally that easy, doesn't take too long, and it gets you a completely working Chewy promo code. But yeah, after those sponsor apps are completed, the promo code will be available. Oh, and the promo code only works once. You can't use the code that you see in this video since I'm gonna be using it. But basically, when you unlock yours, just go ahead, copy the code, use it on Chewy, and redeem it for a credit of $100. And you can do this as many times as you want, but you do have to do different sponsor apps. You can't just do the same ones over and over, or it won't register with Feel the Deals. But trust me, there are plenty to choose from. It's literally just some game tutorials that you have to complete. I was able to get them done within 10 minutes, so the process doesn't take long at all. Anyway, if you want to get a code for yourself, check out the description below to watch the full YouTube video. It'll show you step by step on how to get a Chewy promo code for yourself. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.